I'm Robert Sproul-Cran. I'm the writer and director of The Elemental. It was based on an idea in a Victorian book of ghost stories that my grandmother had. And I read this thing about this creature that if you looked at it, you'd die. So if you thought you saw something in the corner of your eye, in a dark corner, you couldn't look at it to check. You had to look away. So it could be there, but you didn't know. And I just thought that was the most terrifying concept that I can imagine. And when I came eventually to try to put together a short film, I just thought that this idea of the elemental was a brilliant thing to do. But it was a real technical challenge, because how do you film something that you can't look at? You can't show it or you'll die. So that was the way the whole film came together. What you're doing is you're putting something together for an audience, and the fact that it was the audience here at Abertoir that voted for it is just fantastic. I mean, that's the best reward you can possibly get. The next stage in that, the Melies film competition, to go forward to Sitges is just unbelievable. And hopefully this will be a step towards getting funding to get my first feature film together. So thanks, guys.